This is a kit that you buy shipping flat, and you get 4 pieces in this kit. You get this piece, which is the centerpiece going front to back in the vehicle, and then you get 3 side pieces which are identical, and they'll fit into the interlocking system on the piece that goes front to back. So you'll notice the 3 slots here. The longest spacing will point to the front once you've got it fully assembled. So it's very easy to assemble. Just put this piece up and down, slide the side-to-side piece in, and then the next one, and then the next one, and it's assembled. It's kind of loose right now, and we're going to put it in the console to lock it into position and finish the assembly. So real easy, just do that on the counter or a table, and then we'll finish it when we put it inside the vehicle's console. Now we're here with the console for the 2014 Highlander, and it opens in 2 pieces like that. Here's the organizer that we put together on the counter. One thing to note is these little notches here need to face down. They're the same left and right, so that's easy to not make a mistake that way. The other thing to remember is the longest section here is the section that goes to the front, because you've got a power outlet right here inside the console that you want to be able to continue to use. So the easiest thing to do is take this, fold all 3 pieces forward like this, drop it into the console, push it down in, and let it expand back into position. Once it does, just rotate everything into position to square it up again. And what you'll notice is it fits nice and tight side to side, also nice and tight front to back. You can leave the centerpiece out if you want to enlarge the opening in the middle, but right now you've got quite a bit of space in each compartment, and you still have access to the power outlet up front. And then the other piece is the factory tray that comes with it. You can put that back in and use that right on top of the Salix organizer, so everything fits together and works with each other.